my feeling? Feeling good, feeling not too fresh, but feeling good. So we just arrived at Lazarus Island. There's a long stretch of dam and blockade, which we're gonna cross over to get there. When you alight at the ferry, you'll first alight at St. John's Island. So let's make the trip there and do a bit of recce and find the best place to make camp. We're here at the blockade. You can see there's a dam over here. Both sides are actually the sea as well, but this connects us to Lazarus Island. That's where we're heading. A bit more wild over there, not so civilized. I don't think there's a toilet there as well. We're gonna go near the beach. We're gonna find a place to fish. We're gonna find a place to set camp. We're aiming for before 1 PM, and probably we have a light refreshment and get some wood. Some good wood. Alright guys, we found the place. Alright, it's 100 meters from the beach down over there, and over here the sun will rise. That's east. Alright, we found a nice landing spot over there where we can do some fishing, and it's near the mangrove as well, so you can get some crabs. Hopefully you can get some survival food. Alright, and this area is good. There's a lot of grass, a lot of cushioning for us to set up tent, and away from tall grass as well, so you don't get any snakes or any surprises. Yeah, this is a good place. It's windy, beside the sea, beautiful view, and let's get started, man. Alright, so over here we have a very hungry beast over here, and he's waiting for some Taiwan sausages. We're going to eat a light lunch today because you know, we want to be very hungry so that we can enjoy dinner later. The Taiwan sausages cooked over a campfire is going to smell really smoky and nice. So we're just going to have that for lunch, man. Are you ready, beast man?
Yeah, boy!
Introduce you to some items that I brought along. Alright, I got some marinated pork. Basically, I have all my items all here in the recipe list. So you guys just flash it, producer, flash it. Okay, So marinated pork. All right. In here I've got carrots, I've got onions, I've got potatoes, I've got ginger, I've got some rosemary, fresh rosemary that I've grown, by the way, and lemon. Right, the lemon is basically for fish, if we catch any fish. Okay. I got some sliced cheese. All right. I have some truffle spam. This is awesome, you guys. If you guys can find this, this is heaven, man. All right, got some black beans. All right, gonna make a stew tonight. I got some baked beans for breakfast in the morning, and corn kernels, man. This is going to go into the stew. Yeah, and in here, I got some secret items that I'll share with you guys later, man. All right. Yeah, I just bought a new knife. It's a camping knife. It's a stainless steel camping knife. It's very Rambo. It looks very scary, but when you get hunting knives, right, use it with care. And of course, when you come to camps, you know, you gotta bring your first aid kit, which is here. Yeah, you gotta have some first aid. Brought some plasters, some antiseptic creams, sterilizing agents. Not sterilizing agents, fucking cheap, man. What is that called? Like antiseptic. Yeah, I said antiseptic cream already. What's the other thing? Like the ethanol. Fucking what is that? Alcohol, man. You took it. Yeah, yeah. I got antibacterial wipes as well. Yeah. Oh shit! He's doing it. He's fucking doing it.
Achievement, man.
Coconut, boy! Wow, coconut!
With a knife on a stick.
Yeah, let's chop it open. With an improvised knife on a stick, we managed to get down the coconut. Unlucky that we didn't manage to catch it on video. But yeah, we're gonna chop open this coconut, man. The spoils of victory. How does it taste? Okay, not sweet, but very refreshing. It's cold inside. It's good, man. You guys should try. Coconut.
Very nice. How does it feel, producer?
Feels good.